this is Methi from Jenny Penny DIY. In this video, I am going to share one of my bottlet projects. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for new video notifications. I first got an empty beer bottle. Then I applied some acrylic primer on top of it. You can also apply gesso alternatively. I had 2 coats of primer on the bottle. Once the primer was dried, I decoupaged a vintage girl's picture on the bottle. Here I am using some Decoupage glue. Once the decoupage glue was dried, I applied a thin layer of golden color on the bottle. The golden layer is very thin. It was done just to hide the white primer. Once the golden color was dried, I applied a generous amount of wood glue on the bottle. And glued some glass beads on it. I got these beads from a nearby craft store. Then I got some handmade foam flowers and applied some acrylic primer on them. And then once the primer was dried, I applied some metallic color on the flowers. I wanted my flowers to look metallic. You can use some other colors as well. Here I am using some metallic green color on the lips. Then I used the flowers to decorate the bottle. And then I glued the rest of the glass beads to the bottle. And then I got the final look for my decorated bottle. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.